Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video a bit different than my usual routine thing. We're actually doing my dog routine. I think it would be cute and fun, so I thought, hey, why not? So, so usually I just start with whenever I come home from school, I just take my dogs out and we just talk, hang out, yeah.
Your eyes, there are no lies in this world. We fall asleep. Let's decide.
Okay, now he usually comes to me and it's now walk time, so usually I'll take him for about a mile and a half walk, and and we'll just adventures together. I walk both of my dogs separate just because they don't do good together, so I walk them separate.
Just fine, we'll work it out. Yeah, we'll survive. We mustn't let a few bad times decay. So come along, it won't be long till we return. Happy, shut your eyes. There are no lies in this world. We call sleep.
It's time for his dinner, and that's when I just feed him a bowl of food, dog food, and water. And my dog does this thing where he has to sit and have a handshake before he can eat. So yeah, my dog's cooler than y'all. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's what we trained him to do. And now he's getting ready to be let in, but I give him baths like once to almost twice a month, not really twice a month, but it's just like, it's a thing I do, so yeah. Usually his supplies will include a towel, conditioner, dog shampoo, Q-tips, cotton balls, ear drops, blow dryer, clippers, and a brush. Then usually he will play, and then after he plays, he'll just fall asleep because he's tired of playing and he just got a bath, and so he'll fall asleep in my room and he'll sleep with me.